I'm Samantha Deitcher for InvestmentPitch Media. Today, we'd like to showcase Finjan Holdings, symbol FNJN on the NASDAQ, having recently moved up from the OTC markets in May. It was also added to the Russell Microcap Index on June 27, 2014. Founded in 1997, Finjan, through its wholly owned subsidiary Finjan Inc, owns a portfolio of patents related to security software that proactively detects malicious code, thereby protecting end users from identity and data theft, spyware, malware, phishing, trojans, and other online threats. Cybersecurity includes antivirus and malware in both software and hardware, but includes intrusion prevention fraud detection to any number of connected endpoint devices. The company's engineers and developers pioneered behavior-based, real-time detection of online threats by identifying patterns and expected behavior of code and content, rather than relying solely upon signatures of existing and already known threats. According to President and CEO Phil Hartstein, Finjan began the trend of developing security based on behavior security instead of traditional signature-based security, which in its day was very innovative. The next step in the evolution of security is going to be behavior-based technologies, which examine the effects a piece of code has on a system in order to determine its threat level. The company has a diverse global portfolio of over 40 issued and pending patent assets covering endpoint, web, and network security technologies built on Finjan's own investment in R&D. To date, the company has licensed its cybersecurity technologies to a number of major industry players, including Microsoft, Trustwave, and M86 Security. It offers software and appliances focused on protecting endpoint devices connected through web or enterprise network infrastructure. It has returned more than $145 million to its original investors, which included top technology venture capitalists, former Fortune 500 CEOs, and institutional investors with a track record of investing in technology and IP. Finjan continues to grow through strategic acquisition, investment, and partnerships, leveraging its experience and generating revenues through licensing and, where necessary, protecting its proprietary inventions through active enforcements of its patent rights. The company's access to VC-backed technology companies and R&D-focused incubators provides unique opportunities to expand its portfolio with investment in companies and technologies across the cybersecurity space. As an example, in November of 2013, the company made a $5 million commitment to invest in an Israel-based limited partnership venture fund seeking to invest in early-stage cyber technology companies. As of June 30th, Finjan had an outstanding capital commitment of $4 million to the venture capital fund. With the growth in the cloud security services space overtaken that of traditional delivery models, having grown at a rate of 30% in 2013 and expected to reach $4.2 billion by 2016, cybersecurity is an escalating global challenge. The Worldwide Threat Assessment Report released by the U.S. intelligence community for 2014 indicates that cyber-related threats are still the top concern for securing the nation and private industry. Director of National Intelligence, James Clapper, named the threat of intelligence leaks as a top threat to U.S. security, above terrorism and nuclear weapons proliferation. The company ended its second quarter on June 30th with $20.6 million in cash and cash equivalents, with no long-term debt. The shares are trading at $4.20, and with 22.4 million shares outstanding, the company is capitalized at $94.1 million. For more information, please visit the company's website, finjan.com, contact Friedrich Edelman, Director of Investor Relations, at 646-350-4999, or email investors@finjan.com. I'm Samantha Deitcher for InvestmentPitch Media. For more video news and to view our disclaimer, be sure to visit our website. This video is for information purposes only and is not a recommendation to buy or sell any securities.